You are going to love the 2021 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.